Hello and welcome to Online Learning Box. Today in this class we are going to make some icons, and this icons is very helpful. And first of all, you can see this is a pen bucket icon, and who are familiar with Illustrator and any other painting type of or drawing type of software in computer field, so you are familiar with this icon. This is a pen bucket icon. So if you are don't see this pen bucket icon, here you can see this pen bucket icon, and shortcut is K. Now we are in this illustration, so you're going to learn a pen. This one is pen icon. So let's start. Before start, I'm just show you something. Pen tool icon. So pen tool icon, we are just start making pen tool icon. This is star. And drag the star like this. Okay, now united everything. So we have this nib of the pen. So here you can see this pen tool, and no fill. This is a stroke. Okay, now shift. Okay, now I hollow a circle. The circle should be put something like that, and delete this one. Okay, blue color. Okay, now nice. Here I'm going to change the color. Make this one, and this one. Okay, now take it middle, and So here I need to cut this thing and this thing. Cut this area and drag a little bit of like this, and now this type of dash. Okay, now this is dash. Now here put a little bit of like this and no dash, and this is for hit alt, hitting alt, and hit alt here. Now fill, shift. Okay, this is the icon of pen tool icon. So thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.